All right, it's so exciting to share you something like this dashboard. All right, here you can see when you work with the multi-agents, I mean digital workers. So you need to, have the dashboard tracking what the agent doing, right? So you can see right now I have the 4 agents. So look like the 4 digital worker in the office, right? Strategist, coder, reviewer, deployer, and start this right now is working, right? So yeah, so anyone you can build any the digital worker. It depends on the business or the personal purpose. For example, we just need accountant, coder, or assistant, something like the small office, digital office like that. So you can tracking, okay, this the digital worker doing every day, and you know what they do, or they not doing anything. Okay, so in dashboard you can tracking very detailed the startup, tracking the work they're doing. Okay, you ask this agent doing something, you can know what they're doing. Okay, and the status. Okay, and here you can see they're working right now, and some job I asked them to do when you get something from the user request. Here you can see I can track these for each worker, strategy worker, and coder agent, review agent, deploy agent. You do not, if it fails, the same answer right here. Because if you don't have the dashboard, it's really horrible to tracking multiple agents talk together, right? I show you here. You see the log, the real-time log is a horrible real-time log, right? Like this, and you don't know who talk to who. Okay, how they hand off the job to another agent, right? So it look, it's really hard to tracking. So with the dashboard, I think I say the mission control dashboard, you can not only to tracking the job, okay, you can see right here, you can see task, you can see task by work, by job, and the agent, right? It's so interesting. You can see the office, small office, digital office like this. You can view, it depends on your purpose. And you can see the teams, the role of the team organization. So strategist, coder, reviewer, deployer. You can change to different, okay, and digital worker. Okay, it's so interesting, so exciting, right? So you your digital office easy, yeah, and your business, right? Right. So